W with MRMIKE.
Hi friends, today we are going to draw a cat. Not just any cat. This character was modeled after my cat, or my family's cat, not just my cat. This is Oscar. And Oscar has a fly on his nose. So maybe if we're lucky, we'll get a chance to meet Oscar later. But for now, let's concentrate on our drawing. We are going to use 5 basic lines and shapes to create this. A line, a U, a triangle, an arc, and a circle. But it doesn't look like that difficult of a drawing at all. I'm sure if we just build it together, we can make a drawing just like this. Let's see how it all fits together. All right, so let's start off with the top of the head, which is an arc. So I'm going to make my arc right about here. All right, and then next we're going to add in another arc that goes here, which is part of his ear. It goes here. Next, we're going to add 2 more arcs and finish off that ear. 1, 2. Now on this side, we're going to have another arc, and we're going to have that arc go down this way. Because Oscar does this funny thing with his ear when things happen that he's just not sure about, and his ear goes a little flat and sideways. So we're going to have that arc go that way, and an arc or a line actually come down, and then another line come down here. Next, let's have that upside down U. Let's use that U shape. So we're going to make 1, 2, and those will be a little tuft of hair right in Oscar's ear. And then we can have an arc just there for that ear. Next, let's create the shape of Oscar's face. So we'll add an arc here. Actually, this is more like that's kind of an arc. If it looks more straight, that's okay. An arc would be curved and a line would be straight. All right, next we're going to have a line, and the line will go over here. And then there's going to be another short line that comes in like that, and then we're going to have an arc that comes down here, just like that. And now we're going to have another arc that comes this way. Now, if any point during this video you need to pause, just pause the video, catch up at your own speed, and then join back in with us, okay? Next, we're going to have another arc that comes over here. And now you can really see the shape of Oscar. So here we go. We're going to have another arc. This is going to be right about where the eyes are going to come from and the nose. So it's the snout. Let's do, I think this would be kind of like the area where the nose is. So there we go. We've got our arc here. And then we're going to have 2 upside down U's. So we're going to use that U shape, and we're going to make it upside down. And we're going to have it start here, and then just go like that. And then we're going to make another one on this side, just like that. Okay, so next we've got our U shapes for the eyes. We need to put in the nose. So for the nose, we're going to use that triangle, okay? So let's start over here. Remember, there's 3 sides to a triangle. We'll do 1, 2, make sure it points downward. 3, we have our nose. Now we're going to extend these lines, these diagonal lines, for the mouth. So we're going to have 1 comes down here, just like that. And then we're going to have 1 that's going to turn into an arc. So watch this. It's going to come up to an arc, and it's going to make it look like he's kind of smiling, but not quite sure what's going on. So we now have Oscar's face, and we're going to add in that fly. So let's add in a circle. It's going to be right above his nose. Add in a circle. And then we're going to add in 2 U shapes. So we're going to make it start here. It's going to go up and around. That's 1 wing. And then we're going to have another one here. 2 wings. And you can color the circle in. That's the body of the fly. So now we know where the fly is, and we know that we want Oscar looking at that fly. So let's have 2 arcs for the pupils of the eyes. One will be here, and then one will be here. And Oscar's got both his eyes looking toward the middle, toward that fly, and now we can color those shapes in like this and like this. And look at that, so much personality. Oscar does have a lot of personality. Next, we're going to add in those whiskers. Okay, so we just need 6 lines, 3 on each side. So let's start here, and we're going to start and we're going to go out like this. Okay, and now we're going to do 3 on this side. There we go. Now I'm going to just do a thick black outline around the outside of Oscar here. Just like this. I'm going to just trace these lines. You don't have to do this. Sometimes I like to do it with my drawings just to finish them off. Sometimes I do it because I go over a spot that I didn't like, or I just want a thicker outline around the outside and then have a thinner outline on the inside of some of the details. Just like that. And we're going to add in 1 line here. That will be for his arm. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Oscar. But this isn't the real Oscar. I wonder where the real Oscar is. Hey everybody, look! Look who showed up. It's Oscar. Oscar, do you think this drawing looks like you? If you enjoyed following along with this, then please subscribe to my channel. And make sure to smash that like button. And don't forget, watch to the end of this video to see what color choices I made. What color is Oscar? And is he going to show up or not? What color are you going to make your cat? It could be any color you want. It doesn't have to be the same color as Oscar is. And you can also name this cat anything you want. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time, everybody. You see your drawing? Does that look like you? Does that look like Oscar, everybody? Thanks for visiting, Oscar. Bye!
Let's draw with Mr. Mike.
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.